We're at the field now with the 885 and the 544 with the high lift that picked up the bale with the very skilled driver Andrew. He's tearing off the twine, getting it ready to spread. Hard working man. This manure spreader's pretty old, wouldn't you say?
Huh?
Manure spreader's pretty old, wouldn't you say? Let me get y'all a look at this sucker.
She's a mean beast.
She spins and she grins.
Yeah. She dominates. I wouldn't trade this manure spreader for any other manure spreader. I don't care how new the other ones are and how high tech they are. Old ones do it the best. This one's got the miles through it.